Well, good morning guys. Today I'm working on a new project, which is one that's getting closer to the end of the build. So what I'm doing is, up the top along above here, I'm putting on a light for the back. Now I've got three new lights to put on. I've got one for the side and one for the other side, one for the back, and then I've got a driver's light which I'm going to be doing as well. Now the lights that I've got, they're an external awning light. I've got these from Dream Lighting in Browns Plain in Queensland. I've got all my lighting from there and they were really helpful and they gave me a 30% discount, so that's really good of them, which is nice. So that is going up there. So now I've got to work out, I'm going to measure whereabouts in the center it's going to sit. There's only 2 holes I have to drill. The electrician has put the cable out up there for me, so it's all ready to go. So basically all I've got to do is put the ends on the end of the wire and join it in. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'll probably get onto the side one over here. I'm not sure whether I'm going to put the one here before the awning goes on. We've booked the awning in to get installed for a couple of weeks, and that's going along here. So I think I'll put the light up first and then the awning can go on top of that. Anyway, let's get stuck in and see how we go. Alright guys, I've got it temporarily up. I'm pretty sure that's right now. I did 2 pilot holes for the screws and I've drilled through. I don't know whether you can see down the back there, I don't think you can. Anyway, it's drilled just through there for the cable to come through, and it comes through the back. Unfortunately, I've run out of connectors, so I've got to go down to Supercheap and get some connectors for the wires. And I need a bit more silicone to go up around the edges of this to make it nice and tight, and also around the hole that I drilled. So I've just got it there temporarily. I'll go and do that and then I'll fix it up and I'll show you it working. I know it works, I've connected it all up and it works, so that's good. Alright guys, I've put it in and connected it up. I've done the silicone, but still not my favourite thing to do is the silicone. It's alright, but it's not great. There it is. And tonight we'll come out and we'll show you the lights, how good it lights up. Hopefully it should be good. Now that I've done one, I'll be able to do the other few that I need to do tomorrow. Alright guys, we're out at night. As you can see, it's dark. And here we go, turning the light on to see what it looks like. Oh. That lights up, it's lit up a lot, so that's what we want it to do. This is more for security or when we're reversing, so I can see what we're reversing into. So that's one, and we've got 2 others to do tomorrow, so it's looking really good. Right guys, I'm working on the driver's side exterior light now, and it's just been frustrating. First hole I drilled was, I thought I'd missed the actual beam inside, but I just caught it. So when I went to drill, the actual screw itself snapped off. So I moved it up a bit and I used shorter stainless steel screws. As I was drilling, it snapped again. So this is the 3rd lot of holes I've had to drill. I made the pilot hole a bit bigger. And I've had to make this bigger because I've just realised if I don't make the hole big enough to fit the connectors through, if anything goes wrong with the light and I need to change it out, I've got to be able to get the connectors from outside in, from inside out, because there'll be a ceiling and I won't be able to get to it. So I've had to make this hole a bit bigger than what I wanted, but once again I'm going to silicone it up around here and also along the top of the light as well, so it should be right. I'll silicone, I'll fill up these holes with caulking, and I've painted it all as well. So just be careful when you're drilling. If you're going to drill below this line on a 2007 Rosa, there's metal behind it, so just be careful. Otherwise you'll hit that and you'll have to go through another, and it's harder steel than this outside part. So anyway, just a tip for you guys. Hopefully I should have this light on in 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, the driver's side light is in. It's not exactly where I wanted to position it. I wanted to position it middle of here, but just couldn't. So there was a big brace across here and the indoor cupboards are in here, so I couldn't get behind it. So that's where I have to put it. That's where I have to put it. It's all siliconed in, it's joined together. Let's see if it's going to light up. So fingers crossed. I think it was number 4. Yep, there it is. Not that you can see it much in the daytime, but tonight I'll come out and we'll test it and see what it looks like. Okay guys, the passenger side awning light is now in and working. The awning will be going on top of that light, so that should be all good. Tonight I shall show you what it looks like with all the lights on. But we have now got all the lights up and running. Alright, so you can see now it's dark. Let's have a look what it looks like. We'll turn the back one on and the side one on. That's the back one and the side one. Back one and the side one. Oh, that lights up really well. Right, so you can see it lights up really well when it's dark, which is what we want. So we can see when we're going around the bus, and if we think somebody's out there we can light it up. So very happy with that. G'day guys, well that's a wrap for this video. We've got the 3 outside lights done. As you can see, there's one just there and the other 2 are done, and you saw them working at night. So we are finished with this project. So once again guys, thanks for watching our videos. We really do appreciate it. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you haven't, and leave any comments below. Alright guys, as always, I hope your build's going well, and for now we'll say goodbye and see you in next week's video. Okay guys, see ya.